Have you been battling sickness in your body, mind, or spirit? Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful spiritual tips that can help you break free and walk in divine health. Stay with me. Your healing may begin right now. 1. Strengthen your faith. Healing begins with belief. Trust that God is able to heal you, no matter how long it has been. 2. Speak life daily. Your words carry power. Declare, I am healed, I am whole. Speak it even when you don't feel it. 3. Pray without ceasing. Consistent prayer connects you to divine power. Don't just pray once. Pray until something shifts. 4. Study healing scriptures. Feed your spirit with God's word. Verses about healing will build your confidence and renew your mind. 5. Let go of fear. Fear can block your healing. Replace fear with faith, because where faith grows, healing flows. 6. Forgive. Completely unforgiveness can be a hidden burden. Release anyone who hurt you. Healing flows in a free heart. 7. Worship through the pain. Even in sickness, lift your voice in worship. Praise invites God's presence, and where He is, healing follows. 8. Fast and seek God. Deeply fasting strengthens your spirit and breaks spiritual barriers. It creates room for divine intervention. 9. Surround yourself with faith. Stay around people, messages, and environments that uplift your spirit, not those that weaken your belief. 10. Believe you are already healed. Don't wait to feel better before you believe. Receive your healing in the spirit first, and it will manifest physically. Remember, healing is not just physical, it is spiritual first. As you apply these steps, believe that your breakthrough is already happening. If this message blessed you, share it with someone who needs healing today. And always remember, God still heals.